Welcome to Gaming Fin, your channel to everything related to the gaming industry and to the financial market. And guys, today we will talk about Tezos, and Tezos has a relation with the gaming industry. Therefore, it's in my opinion very important to talk about this. So I recently bought some Tezos and I consider personally to buy some more. But guys, this is my disclaimer. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm a simple retail investor, a YouTuber, and I always say make up your own mind, make your own research, and then it's good. So it's all very risky what I do, and investing in general is risky, guys. So first we look a little bit at the chart of Tezos, then we head over to the website from Tezos. Then, my friends, we will look at the news section, and there's a lot going on and a lot of interesting development with Tezos. Guys, if you're new to my channel, so this is Gaming Film, Gaming Industry and Finance, make sure to like, comment, like and subscribe, especially to the channel. Your subscriptions are very important. So this is my finance channel. I come from a gaming channel, but here I'm only talking about how we can make more money, and we talk about gaming companies, about stocks, and about how they perform. So this is Tezos, my friends. Tezos at the moment $5.23. $5.23. I'm not telling you the Bitcoin or the Ether price, so obviously then this video would be too long. So looking at the chart, I have to say this was also one of the reasons I thought, like, okay, we see a lot of upside there. Especially you need to compare it to a Bitcoin chart, to a Ethereum chart. So there I actually really see some nice development here. So we see some nice sideways consolidation. So we can see this here at the price range of like $3 to $4, $3. So a very nice consolidation. So this is always, I'm always, when I invest something, I look at the technical aspect. So I make a technical analysis. I look at the charts, of course, and then I invest. So I'm not just investing in an all-time high. So I mostly try to buy when it's a little bit lower. But yeah, buy. I always say sell low and buy high. No, I'm just kidding, guys. Obviously, that's the big problem. So Tezos, yeah, why are we talking about Tezos? So let's head over to this is the Tezos website. So blockchain designed to evolve, evolutionary, revolutionary, blah blah blah. A lot of talking, smart contracts, powerful, scalable, energy efficient, governance by the people. So you see a lot of this kind of information here. So I mean, it's always good if you invest in a cryptocurrency. Check out their website. If the website is decent, then it definitely gives you a little bit more reasons to dive then deeper into it. So Tezos is here, has some very interesting news. So Tezos is definitely also in the NFT game. So Rarible is a marketplace for NFTs. So Rarible completes Tezos integration. That's very important. So, and then we have what led me to investing in Tezos, or actually looking more into Tezos, was this news. Gaming company Ubisoft built Ubisoft Quartz on Tezos. So gaming company Ubisoft builds Ubisoft Quartz, their NFTs, their NFT ideas on Tezos. And I don't know yet, of course. I think a lot of other gaming companies might follow. Square Enix also recently said they are really looking at NFTs and want to get big into it. And then we have another interesting news here. So everyone knows this dude with this very nice coiffure. So I think there's real fun and interesting stuff happening in Zcash lands, and there's real interesting stuff happening in Tezos. So Vitalik also talking positive about Tezos. So why not? Why not, guys? Why not? So now, for me personally, I have a nice chart, a nice sideways consolidation. I have interesting news. I have good news. I have interesting opinions from the Ethereum inventor, and we have NFT implementation and all of this. And all of this actually led for me to the point where I think Tezos is an interesting investment. So Ubisoft becomes first major gaming company to launch in-game NFTs. After years of dabbling in the crypto and the NFT space, game industry giant is taking things to the next level. So a lot of gamers will not be happy by this information. So you can, for example, go to Kotaku. They will then tell us that NFTs are not good for gamers, but they are here to stay. And the Square Enix president said the NFTs here probably here gamers will not be happy. Square Enix president hopes NFTs blockchain games become major trend in gaming going forward. So he understands that the gamers then say, oh no, we don't want this, they just want our money. But in the end, guys, that's an inevitable development. And I definitely like the aspect when we talk about the fact that you can earn money with games, that you as a gamer you game and then actually you can make some Tezos, some token, and this token you can then sell, and you as someone who spends like 100 hours playing a video game is then finally able to monetize this, to really make money yourself. So it's not only for companies to make money, it's also for the gamers to make money. So we should really bear this in mind. So in this sense, I think it's a democratization, not just using this empty term democratization, but you hear a lot from corporations. No, I'm using this also in the sense of crypto, where it really, in my opinion, makes sense. So NFT Quartz, the NFT platform by Ubisoft, is going to run on Tezos, a proof-of-stake blockchain platform. They say proof-of-stake is important because that's the energy efficiency, what they like. So because they know a lot of gamers and a lot of some environmental orientated groups are going to attack them if this is now all running on on blockchains that use much more energy. So it's a bit the weird idea behind this, but yeah, well, that's how it is. So check out the trailer, guys. Check out this news here on decrypt.co. I can put you a link here down below under this video. And here are also other major game publishers are eyeing the space as well. Square Enix announced plans in November to develop NFT games, while Electronic Arts CEO Andrew Wilson recently described NFTs as an important part of the future of our industry and the go forward basis. So everyone is agreeing, guys. Everyone is agreeing. So Ubisoft is massively invested here. So if you read this now, you see Ubisoft is invested in a lot of those platforms, but all the gaming companies are agreeing that NFTs is the way forward. So it's for you to get this special item. Let's imagine you're playing a game and you have this awesome sword. So this sword is then really bound to your account, and you as a gamer, you are able to sell this. So Activision Blizzard once tried this. So they tried this with the auction house, and you could sell items there, and people actually made money. So there were real Diablo 3 farms. In some countries, people were farming those items and selling them. So why not, guys? I think the idea behind this is good. Of course, it needs a lot of protection, security issues will come, but therefore we have the blockchain, so to protect it a little bit more. So this is an important news. Then Tezos live on Rarible. Check out Blazing Futures community drop, Ubisoft NFTs, and start minting. Guys, this is really big. So and why Tezos? Yeah, that's the question. Why Tezos? I mean, smart contracts. Well, I guess without going too much into details, I'm not this expert in crypto, obviously, but let's say Tezos is a platform, the environmental aspect, but the smart contract aspect, of course, which gives now all those developers much more possibilities to. I mean, they could also just invent their own protocol, their own blockchain, but obviously Tezos is giving those developers something which they can use. Tezos is giving Ubisoft something that they can use without hesitation. So that's an important aspect. So well, we will see. Of course, I don't have a crystal ball. I can't tell you now if Tezos goes to $8. And for example, if it would go to $8, would I sell my Tezos? Good question. So maybe I would just keep them and waiting for them to go up even more. But of course, $8 would be already massive. So for me, that's a good moment to have a very tiny portion of my portfolio going with this cryptocurrency. Besides of this, I have Bitcoin and a little bit Dogecoin just for fun. But yeah, obviously Dogecoin is a meme coin, so I'm not 100% convinced by it. But Tezos, I'm now fundamentally much more convinced. I'm also going to educate myself a bit more about Tezos, what is actually possible on this blockchain in the future. But I see a lot of potential already from reading some of those news. And yeah, it's very important, guys, that you always have a diversified portfolio. So if you don't own ETFs on the MSCI World, etc., if you don't have this yet, then of course don't start investing only in cryptocurrency, except you're very young and your amounts are not that high. So diversified and small amounts in risky assets like Tezos, even Bitcoin. Either Bitcoin goes crazy or it goes to more or less zero. So that's the Bitcoin story behind this. I'm not talking too much about cryptos now. I just wanted to let you know those are my reasons. So especially this news here is incredible. Those are my reasons to invest this. The chart is great, the news is great, we have a nice consolidation, technical, substantial. Also you see a Ethereum founder talking positive about it. So it all comes together. And probably I will buy some more to grow a little bit this position the moment I grow more confident with the blockchain, with the cryptocurrency Tezos, guys. So all right, then thank you very much for watching and see you the next time, and make sure to comment, like and subscribe. Especially subscribing to this channel is great. So I try to also talk a little bit more about cryptos, about NFTs on this channel, but of course I will stay mostly also with my gaming company stock. So there I have much more to tell you, because I understand those companies, of course, much more, like the Embracer Group, CD Projekt, Corsair, Zynga, Activision, Take-Two Interactive, all of this. But I'm trying to educate myself, and I recommend you always do the same. Don't lose the next big opportunity. NFTs are maybe a hype now, but it will not end here. It will not stop here. This will continue. Maybe it goes to zero at one point, and then something better comes. But of course, we are all aware of the risk. So guys, thank you very much for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.